do it. You'll feel better when you're out there.
Best of luck.
Onto the store. Have fun. Enjoy.
Hi.
Your name is?
Sean.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 31.
And where are you from?
I'm originally from Nuneaton in Warwickshire.
And do you work, Sean?
Yes, I do. I'm an accounts manager.
You got kids?
Yeah, 3. They're all here as well somewhere, yeah.
Okay, so why have you left it till now to come on a show like this?
If I'm honest, I just get really scared. It just scares me a bit.
And you're scared of what? Someone saying to you you're not very good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, you've come to the right place. I mean, if you're at all worried about someone saying, didn't like your singing...
I didn't put myself here.
Right, who did?
My daughter actually applied on my behalf. Yeah.
So, not much pressure then.
Yeah.
Well, I'm looking forward to it. Good luck.
She was lost in so many different ways, out in the darkness with no guide.
Right, okay, Sean. It was so jolly and happy and horrible that it wasn't emotional. The With You, can you sing that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Please.
I'll try. I've been touched. I think I missed the beginning, sorry.
Hang on. Start again.
It's okay.
Proper nervous now.
I picked up your shirts this morning. I don't know why. I don't know why. And every place we ever walked, and everywhere we talked, I miss you. Never leave my mind. So much of you is left behind. You took my hopes with you. Took my dreams with you. I keep thinking a job because everyone says it's all in my head. I can't accept it yet. I keep that you just give in. I know that I can live with this pain, these feelings of regret. Every place I wanna be, I wanna see you there. Took my life with you.
Oh, brilliant, Oscar.
Just thank you so much. Thank you so much for your support. That was lovely.
First of all, congratulations on what you just did. Why I really liked that second song, apart from the fact I love the song, is that you weren't prepared for it. And it was just the fact that you was just actually so much more relaxed, and I really felt that we were listening to who you really are. I thought it was great. Really, really, really good.
It was really, really moving. Your children will be very proud.
Yeah, you're very lucky she signed the application form for you.
So, now we have the real moment of truth. David.
It was like watching a caterpillar turn into a butterfly. I'm going to say yes.
It's a yes from me.
It's a yes from me.
You got 4 yeses.
Thank you so much.
Well done.
Well done, Ebony.